Aloha Ohana. Mahalo for choosing Aloha Maids or AlohaMaids.com as your service provider for our referred housekeepers. We really appreciate your patronage, especially at this time, and thank you for choosing us as your service provider for housekeeping referrals. I want to go over really quickly a new program that we're implementing. We've had it for a while, but we're putting a lot more attention into it now. That's our referral codes. I'm also a customer of Aloha Maids, and I have a referral code here. It actually comes in from my profile. So I can sign in on alohamaids.com. There's a login uh, link here. It's missing on this page, but on alohamaids.com, you'll see the sign in link. And once you open your profile, you can copy and paste this um, domain name or HTML. You take this HTML and you can just go to Facebook and share it just like I did. What happens is if you share it on Facebook or Instagram and one of your friends or family choose to use it, you get $25 off and they get $25 off. You can apply it to any cleaning. And right now I've got no credit because I just applied it recently, like within the last 30 minutes. But eventually someone will probably use it. And when they use it, then I get $25 off too on the cleaning. And I can choose to use it as many times as I want. Say I do 15 referrals, that means I get 15 discounts on 15 cleanings. So you can do the same. I know we're all trying to save money now, so this is a good way to do it and also a good way to spread Aloha Spirit. So mahalo for choosing Aloha Maids.